Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to today's tutorial in which we are going to learn recycling and creating something beautiful out of everyday waste. Do you like recycling? Write in comments. Well, you are in for a treat. In today's video, we are diving into some amazing craft made entirely from waste paper. You will be surprised by how simple it is to turn your old newspapers and magazines into stunning pieces of art. And the best part, it's all about being eco friendly while having fun. We will show you how to create a treasure chest that looks just like something from a fairy tale, all from wastewater, waste paper. Imagine a decorative box you can use to restore your keepsakes, and it's homemade by you. Grab your supplies, unleash your creativity, and let's craft some magic together. So, stay tuned to discover step by step how to turn trash into treasure. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.